In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Peter Griffin voice using 11 Labs. If you come here to voices and you search for Peter Griffin, the voice is not there yet for this character. Okay, so what you want to go ahead and do, for example, let me just show you. Peter Griffin, right? That voice does not exist in the different voice library in the community, right? So what you want to go ahead and do instead of this is you want to get a audio file of, Peter Griffin just speaking. Right? You can get this from YouTube. I cannot show you how to get this MP3 because that, goes against the terms of service, but I have downloaded one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'll show you the tutorial. So you come here, click on voices, right? And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating our own voice. Click on add a new voice. And I'll go ahead and choose instant voice clone. Just need a few minutes of audio. And you can go ahead and drag and drop the audio. You can go ahead and upload as well. So I have it downloaded right here. I'll go and upload my audio file. I'll just drag it and drop it here. Now this is the audio file of Peter Griffin just speaking, right? Oh, let me go ahead and manually add this in. Oh, there we go. It just started uploading multiple times. So I'll go and remove those. And this one here is enough. You can toggle this one on. This is okay. Now go ahead and click on next. Now what you want to do, guys, is you just want to wait for 11 Labs to process this audio file. I can just come in and name this Peter Griffin. And we'll change the label, the value to English. So the language is English. Go ahead and choose this one right here. Description. This is a Peter Griffin voiceover. Okay, now I'll click on save voice. Now let me show you me using this voice. You have to agree to the terms of service. And let's save this voice and go ahead and use this. Okay, now under finish up, let's just wait for 11 Labs to initialize. Okay, now we will generate a speech. Let's see. Let's see, we have this right here. So this is what you want to do. Only click on personal, right under my voices. You'll see Peter Griffin. Click on use. All right. Now let this load up. And then, all right, so this is an example. The model is 11 multilingual V2, stability, pretty about 50%, similarity. We'll do about 75%, no style exaggeration, keep speaker boost on. And now let's go ahead and generate this speech. Let's see if we get the Peter Griffin voice. So it's currently generating.
A cold wind howled through the abandoned subway station as James stepped cautiously onto the cracked tiles, his flashlight flickering. A cold wind.
Honestly, that is a very, very good Peter Griffin impression. I am a very, very impressed.
Cracked tiles, his flash.
And it's really that easy and simple, and you can replicate this with other people's voices as well.